guys, welcome back to Advert Academy. So today we're going to talk about the traffic of social media. When social media first came into being, no one knew the impact it would create on the society. It was originally developed as a tool for interaction among people. But as it grew, businesses began gaining interest in using it to advertise their goods and services. Given this, public networking took the globe by storm. No matter business small or large, local or international, could afford to turn a blind eye on it. So here I want to say, social media traffic, be social, be heard, be everywhere. Social media has fundamentally changed the way in which affiliate marketers connect with their audience. Affiliate marketing is a partnership and a process by which commissions are earned through generating sales for another person or company. Leveraging your own sense of presentation to highlight the value of a relevant product or service to your audience is a powerful way to make new connections, gain influence, and earn passive income. Before Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, affiliate marketers mainly focused on SEO, paid ads, and list building to get their connections to relevant traffic. These ways are still important, but social media has proven a fantastic method of reaching a large audience for free. Paid options on social media do exist, such as promoted tweets and posts. However, you really can engage your target audience without spending a dime. Now let's get into the point. What is social media traffic exactly? It comes in the form of banner and text ads found on some of the most popular websites in the world. Social media companies are able to collect a lot of information about their users and in turn allow their advertisers to use that information. Social media traffic has some of the best demographics targeting you can find. This allows you to drill down and find exactly what type of visitors turn into customers. Social media traffic is perfect for the marketers who are looking to expand their brand awareness by promoting shareable and useful content. The truth is that social media is exceptionally easy to pick up, but ridiculously difficult to master. Unless you're doing exactly the right things, or you might waste weeks and months tweeting and posting without anything to show for it. Facebook is the top dog as far as social media networks go, with more than 1 billion people using it worldwide. The flow of information sharing throughout Facebook every day is a hive of potential that you, as an affiliate marketer, need to tap into to spread awareness of your affiliate site or offers. Like marketing is how you do this. Clocking is essential for most popular affiliate offers. You will almost inevitably encounter situations that prohibit from being promoted by Facebook. This will test your ability to continuously acquire new Facebook accounts from the black market or develop your own number. Ups and downs. Facebook affiliates is likely to earn thousands of dollars a day and maybe lose all they have overnight. Many popular affiliate verticals are not suitable for social environment promotion and users may leave spam comments. It means you need a system to review all your ads, articles, and comments on the page. It's achievable but troubling. Besides, Facebook doesn't want affiliate offers to appear on its web. Affiliates are always in face of the low survival rates. Compared to Facebook, some social media traffic haven't been fully developed. It is a high-risk strategy to see it as an opportunity. Every social network has the profits pressure from the investors. It means the less promoters, the higher you will cost. It appears the rest are the big brand firms. Here's the study curve. First, organic traffic. You have to understand user behaviors and churning out more high-quality content to increase traffic. Second, take advantage from Facebook clocking. You have to understand and learn the process of secure pages and its routines. Constantly get new accounts, proactively popularize, and keep the account alive as much as possible. When it comes to clocking, we need to discuss about its principle. Take Facebook as an example. Not all the advertising can get approved, especially for products like black hats. So what can we do? We can only use clocking to create a secure page, or we can understand it as a fake landing page for Facebook audit. Synchronization, we have to make a real landing page for real audience to see. Which means through clocking technology, the secure page are for the Facebook and the non-audience. Only our target audience can see the real landing page. Real landing page, also known as the money page, which is very useful. As we can see on Advert Spy tool, it can be downloaded directly from the source file, which can help save a lot of time and effort. Besides, you can also see and copy these latest or up-to-date Facebook creatives here. Relative cost. In the past, US traffic was only 0.01 CPCs, and now it is real. The big brand promoters have pushed up the cost of the entire social media traffic source. The high cost is eliminated by essence of viral marketing. Only if you can let your content be widely distributed through sharing and like, the cost will be reduced. The following is platform introduction. Facebook back in 2014 passed 1.19 billion monthly active users. So just like Google AdWords, if you run traffic on Facebook, you can scale your campaign like crazy. It also has awesome demographics targeting, allowing you to target audience that already show interest in your industry or product. Once again, just like AdWords, Facebook is super competitive, so the prices are pretty steep. Besides, depending on how targeted you get with your demographics, your ads will become stale very quickly. This will result in your CTR dropping and thus your CPM or CPC increasing. If you can find something that's working for you well, can scale it to the moon. However, because of the nature of the traffic, running a campaign properly on Facebook will take you a lot of time and resources. Finally, Facebook likes to break redirects, so it makes it very difficult to track campaigns with some marketing tools. Twitter ads. Though the monthly active users is less than Facebook, but from what I've experienced, Twitter has much higher quality traffic. Also, since Twitter has really been pushing out more ad products in 2015, there is a ton of opportunity. Just like Facebook, Twitter has incredible demographic targeting and has been recently introduced keyword targeting. The only real con I've experienced thus far with Twitter is their lack of ad tabs. However, like I mentioned before, they have been really pushing out new ad products this year. The other disadvantage is that Twitter ads are pretty expensive out the gate. So unless you already have converting demographics metrics, expect to have a large burn budget to get a significant data set. Personally, I love Twitter as both a social network and a traffic source. I would even go on to say that it's one of the traffic sources that I'm most excited about here. If you are not running on Facebook yet, I highly suggest just do it. LinkedIn ads. If you're advertising B2B, then LinkedIn is the place to be. Just like many other social media, LinkedIn has great demographic targeting. LinkedIn is also one of the best places to advertise your product to get in front of the decision marketer. The traffic quality is super high for a select number of niches. But LinkedIn is one of the most expensive social traffic sources that I'm aware of. Ran a 25 campaign and only got 2 clicks. Unless you have a very high lifetime value for each customer you're bringing in, you'll likely struggle to get LinkedIn profitable. I've only ran a few campaigns on LinkedIn, and even though I did get conversions, overall the traffic was just too expensive for what I'm running. If you are a recruiting agency or B2B company, then LinkedIn is perfect for you. Stumble upon ads. If you are promoting content that is very shareable like this post, then Stumble Upon Ads is a great way to get the ball rolling. I've had $25 to $50 spent campaigns to bring in over 8,000 visits in a single day. But the traffic quality of StumbleUpon's all in all is very low. The users just click the button to go to the next page. That is the nature of StumbleUpon. Just expect to have people on your site for 5 seconds or less. I've used StumbleUpon quite a bit through my internet marketing career. If you've done it right, StumbleUpon can bring you links to your site, social shares, and tons of traffic outside of the StumbleUpon community. Make sure your content is eye-catching and extremely useful, as you only have a few seconds to capture their interest. Don't expect to directly send StumbleUpon visitors to your sales page, as it likely won't work. Reddit ads. Reddit has 174 million MAU, the majority of which are tech geeks and gamers. Reddit's traffic is very high quality, as long as your product or service is appealing to this audience. Reddit is unique in the fact that when you buy ad space on their platform, you're the only advertiser during that selected time slot. This makes it very easy to know if the traffic is working for you or not, as you have less random variables such as new advertisers screwing your data. Unfortunately, the only targeting option you have on Reddit is called a subreddit. This is essentially category targeting, but make optimization campaign very difficult on the front end. Unlike the other social networks, Reddit is community-driven and is a big support of privacy. Be very careful with what you advertise on Reddit, because if the community doesn't like it, it may backfire on you completely. Also, because of the privacy Reddit has for its user and lack of targeting options, the only way you can optimize a campaign is through split testing various different landing pages. If you're not promoting gaming or tech-related products, I would stay away from Reddit until you have other profitable sources. Instagram ads. Instagram, you know, the picture site that Facebook bought it for $1 billion. It's becoming one of the most popular social media in the world, which allows you to advertise, and it is definitely a hidden gem. Pinterest ads. Currently, there is a waitlist to join what's known as promoted pins. If your business targets women, then the Pinterest is the best place to be. That's all for today. Thank you so much for keeping up with us. Leave your questions in comments if you have any problem. See you tomorrow.